और दूसरी तरफ मिंटू जो शैतान है और सबकी नाक में दम कर देता है। देखते हैं, यह कहानी आपको हंसाएगी, सोचने में मजबूर करेगी और थोड़ा भावुक भी कर देगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Look, what's that, Golu? Another one of your silly sketches?
It's just a drawing, nothing special.
Oh, come on, show me what you are hiding.
Hey, please give it back.
What's that? A masterpiece? Let me make it better.
Why do you have to do this, Mintu? What did I ever do to you?
Oops, you have to start over, loser.
Lunchtime in the garden. It's lunch break. Golu is eating peacefully in the garden, but Mintu and his gang have other plans. Poor Golu, his lunch ends upon him, not in him.
ये है लंच ब्रेक। देखते हैं गोलू और उसके दोस्तों के लिए सुकून का पल, लेकिन ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं। मिंटू के आ जाने से गोलू और उसके दोस्तों को क्या होता है, आइए देखते हैं।
Finally, some peace.
Look who's sitting away munching like a little mouse. Hey, Golu, mind sharing your lunch with us?
Not again, Mintu. Can't I just eat in peace?
Oh, wait, you don't have choice.
Hey, stop.
What is this grass? You need better taste, my friend.
You can take my food, but why to throw it? What did you get out of this?
Bon appetit, loser.
Playground incident. It's playtime. Golu is enjoying football with his friend, but Mintu decides to push him hard. Golu ends up hurt, but this time it's serious.
ये है खेल का समय। गोलू और उसके दोस्त खुशी से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे, लेकिन मिंटू के आने से उनका बना बनाया खेल बिगड़ जाता है। लेकिन ये बात उनके बहुत सीरियस थी। देखते हैं इस बार क्या होता है।
Wow, Golu played football even though he could not run. Oops, I just hit his teeth.
My leg. Why did you do that, Mintu? We were just playing.
Mintu, that was really unnecessary. Why are you always picking on him? He doesn't deserve this.
Golu, are you okay? Let's look really painful. Don't let him to get you.
You are better than this, Golu. Mintu doesn't know what he is doing. Just don't listen to him.
You have gone too far, Mintu. It is not funny anymore. You need to stop it.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's find someone else to entertain us.
Mintu's house. Now we see Mintu's house. His parents are shouting at him for his bad grades, but they never ask why he feels so upset. No wonder Mintu take out his anger on others.
ये है मिंटू का घर। यहाँ पे मिंटू का व्यवहार अपने घर पर बिल्कुल अलग है। वह वहाँ पे डरा सहमा सा बच्चा है। उसके माता पिता उस पर चिल्ला रहे हैं उसके बेकार अंकों के लिए। शायद वह उससे नहीं पूछते कि वह इतना परेशान क्यों है। शायद यही वजह है कि वह अपना गुस्सा दूसरों पे निकालता है। आइए देखते हैं मिंटू के साथ क्या हुआ।
I can't believe you. You got such a lowest marks, and I told you to focus on your studies.
I tried, mom. I really tried, but math is so boring.
What is this, Mintu? You are failing in so many subjects. You know how much effort we put into education? This is not acceptable.
You're disgraced, Mintu. How could you treat Golu like that? And what kind of child I have raised?
This is not just about the grades, Anita. There is something wrong with Mintu. We need to address his behavior, not just his studies. We have been to focus on his marks and neglected him.
Dad, it's just a marks. Why could even matter?
How did we not see this? We have to focus on his marks and his future. What about his behavior and what kind of value we are teaching him?
Now go from here.
They don't care about me. They only care about a stupid marks or stupid report card.
I have made a picture. You are playing football. Bhaiya, what happened? Why are you sad? Mama, Papa again shout you. Bhaiya, don't take his word serious. Bhaiya, please talk to me. Bhaiya.
The principal's office. Now the truth is out. Mintu's parents find out what he did to Golu. They realize they have been ignoring him. And Mintu learned that being a bully has consequences.
ये है प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस। यहाँ पे मिंटू के माता पिता को पता चलता है उसने गोलू के साथ क्या किया। इसी बीच उस बात का जिक्र होता है जब मिंटू ने गोलू की बहुत पिटाई की थी। आइए देखते हैं कि उसके माता पिता को, मिंटू के माता पिता को और मिंटू को उसकी गलती का एहसास होता है या नहीं।
Take your seat. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, thank you for coming on such a short notice. We need to address a very serious issue regarding your son, Mintu.
Serious issue, what could Mintu have done now?
Probably another silly prank. Kids these days.
This is Golu's medical report. See what your son has done to Golu. This is not a silly prank. Neither it's about bad grades. It's a behavior issue that is going on for too long. As parents, you should have noticed the signs.
Mintu, is this true?
Yes, Dad.
Your heart's a burden. Now you have to take the consequence. You may have failed as a parent, but this is a chance to fix it.
I can't believe you did this, Mintu. Bullying Golu, ruining his work, his lunch. You have crossed the line. We thought you better than this.
I didn't mean to hurt him badly. I was just messing around. I didn't think.
Didn't mean to reject you. My son is sitting in a wheelchair because of you. Didn't mean to.
I can't believe this, Mintu. I never thought you would be capable of this. Bullying is not tolerated in this school.
I don't understand. Mintu has never done this at home.
Yes, Priya?
This is really bad, sir. Why did no one notice? What was going on? Gold did not deserve all this.
Sir, this has been happening for so long and no one knew. Golu bullied for months.
Golu, I'm so sorry that this happened to you. No one should be treated the way you were. We'll make sure this never happens again to you.
I am sorry, Golu. I know I hurt you, but I don't make it right, but I will try.
You really didn't care how much you hurt someone, did you? Mintu, Golu doesn't need your sorry. He needs respect.
You don't need to apologize to me, Mintu. Just try to be better. That's all I want. Let's start, Mintu.
Golu, you have shown great courage and compassion. We'll ensure you get all the support you need to recover and get stronger than ever.
We realized we thought and sorry.
We never thought you would act like this.
You may not see it, but Mintu's behavior is a result of what he experiences at home. He feels ignored, unheard, and unloved. These feelings have turned into anger, which he takes out on another.
Mintu, you really like we don't care about you?
You don't care about me. You only care about my marks or a stupid report card. You just see me as a failure.
Six. Mintu's apology. Mintu feels sorry and ashamed. Step forward to say sorry to Golu. It's time for him to make things right and start fresh.
मिंटू मैदान में बैठा है, वह अपने में ही गुम है। मिंटू अपने से बात करता है, उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास होता है और आगे देखते हैं उसे अपनी गलती का कितना एहसास होता है।
You know, I thought being a bully made me strong. And I hurt Golu, but instead he forgave me. That's the real power. To anyone like me, don't let your pain behind you. You are the ones who change the world.
Lesson, a few fun and a big message. Kindness can stop bullying. Thank you for being with us.
यह थी हमारी कहानी। मिंटू की तरह हम भी अपने दोस्तों को इसी तरह परेशान करते हैं और गोलू हमारा कोई दोस्त और हमारा क्लासमेट हो सकता है। मिंटू की तरह हमें भी बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि मजाक एक सीमित दायरे तक ही अच्छा लगता है। यही थी हमारी कहानी का अंत। धन्यवाद।